Welcome back to my channel, guys. So I felt like just playing around with some colors, and this is the look that I came up with. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. But before you do that, subscribe to my channel and like this video.
Ow, ow, ow. I buy a new car for the bitch, for real. I tear down the mall with the bitch, for real. You can't even talk to the bitch, nah. She fucking with bosses and shit. Oh, God.
I don't know what I want to do. I just know that I want to play with colors, and that's what we're going to do. I already did my brows. I'm going to use these two palettes today. Juvia's Place Nubian 2 and the Juvia's Place and Magic palette. I love Juvia's Place. They're Morenita friendly. Who doesn't like Morenita friendly makeup? Like, yo, what the fuck? For my base, I'm using my Makeup Revolution concealer in C12. Just taking a huge brush. It's the one I've been using for concealer lately. I'm using the Nubian 2 palette, and I'm going to use this purple shade, and I'm using a Sigma E40 blending brush. It's a taper blending brush, and I'm actually gonna just place the color. I'm like swiping, but I'm not really blending it in. This was not the best brush to pack on the color, but you know what? It is what it is. Then I'm going to hop on to the Magic palette. I'm taking this shade right here, which is kind of a coral shade, I would say. And I'm just dabbing that, and I'm going to put that on top and start blending out the purple and that coral shade. So normally I would blend out every single shade first and like build it up slowly, but right now I'm trying to like pack them on and then blend them. So I have like a dark deep purple, and then I have like a deep blue. So I'm gonna put this one in the crease, and this is gonna be on the lid. So I'm gonna go in with this one first, and for that I'm using a Sigma E38 brush. I'm gonna put my Sigma code down below in case you guys want to save some coins. Alright, come through color. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. You see, like, this is the perfect brush to pack on color. Definitely. So I went back in with the Sigma E40 with I didn't put any more product on it. Okay, so to pack on this one right here, another BH Cosmetics brush. This is the number 6 from the Illuminate collection. I'm gonna put that all over my lid. I don't know if the camera is picking this up or not, but it might just look like all the same color, but it's definitely not. Like, this is definitely blue, and the one I just used is definitely purple. I'm really getting in a colorful mood. Like, I've been in a colorful mood lately. I don't really know why. Like, I like playing with colors, but I just don't really wear color on a regular. I prefer my nudes always. So I'm going back with the Sigma E40 brush just to blend out any harsh lines that I might have. I just want everything to blend. I was gonna leave it like this, but I decided that, you know what, I want it to be a little bit more blue, so I added a lighter blue shade. I'm using the Morphe 35B palette. I'm going to take this shade right here And I'm using the same brush that I used to apply the dark blue, like the last shade that y'all saw I applied. I'm using the same brush, just the other end. I'm just gonna go in with a clean blending brush and just blend out any harsh lines I might have. So this is it for the eyes as of right now. I'm gonna move on to my face. Foundation I haven't used in a while, and it's this one right here. But let's just try. For concealer, I'm using the same that I used to prime my eyes. This is the Makeup Revolution Color Conceal and Define Concealer in C12. I'm just putting that under my eyes, on the tip of my nose, like that. Let's do that. I'm just going to take my Laura Mercier powder. I'm just going to set my under eyes and the areas that I highlighted. Okay. So I did this, I finished off this eye off camera. So what I did, I just put on some extra powder just to catch any fallout I might have. So I'm taking the same brush that I used to apply the blue, and I'm going to take the lightest blue shade that I applied, and I want to apply that to my lower lash line. I'm going to apply it all over. I'm taking the dark blue shade from the Juvia's Place Magic palette, and I'm using this tiny brush. I don't know where it's from, but it's just like a flat brush. Still letting the blue show through a little bit. And I'm putting, like, connecting the outer corners. Same brush. I'm gonna go with this purple right here. Again, basically I'm just doing everything just in reverse, if that makes any sense. And then I'm taking a bigger, fluffier brush. This, I don't know where this is from either, but I'm taking the coral shade, the bright coral shade, and I'm just putting that all the way on the outer corner, just on top of everything, but on the outer part. Then I'm just gonna take this fluffy powder brush and just dust off any excess powder. So I just went ahead and contoured my face. You guys have seen that multiple times, so yeah. And I just sprayed my face with some, what is this, charged water from MAC. So I'm just gonna use the Gold Deposit highlighter. For this look, I want a really natural lip, so I'm using my Kylie Jenner True Brown K lip liner because I lost my chestnut lip liner. I need to go get a new one, but for now I'm just going to use this one. It's going to line my lips, and then I'm going to use Naturally Transformed from MAC as my lipstick. I like that it's creamy, but honestly, sometimes I just feel like it gets really messy. When it's matte, it's just like, it's matte. When you put it on, where the fuck is supposed to go? It's not going nowhere. Yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and family. And if you want to see more looks from me, subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next upload. I'll also leave some videos right here, so y'all can just, continue to watch something from me.